can see it snowing. Nini and I are gonna take a walk around. Really see it. Okay, now we're getting some snow, finally. Crunchy out. Very, very fine snow. Super fine, huh? There's the little Booth house right there. Okay, here we go. It's snowing good now. Nini and her makeshift sled.
I'm gonna run after you, Snow!
Oh, we love snow in South Carolina, don't we, Nee? It's not an average occurrence. Yeah, you can really see it starting to pick up now.
Daddy! Snow attack! Sledding time!
Okay, here we are up at the Del Norte swimming pool. Kind of found a little place to hide out of the snow here. There's the Nina critters. Almost hit me with a snowball.
Bullseye! There's really a lot of snow here.
You get an idea how hard it's snowing out by looking up at that light.
Daddy, look at all of this! And this is snow, guys.
You're a nut.
Well, I guess this is snow.
It'll be fun. We're like the only ones out tonight.
Except for one person who's been their car around.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this great packing snow.
Yeah, it's good for snowballs, huh?
At you!
Ow.